Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, and it's got the push button start, right? But I'm going to go over how you would start your car if your key fob battery is dead. So your key fob battery is dead and you won't be able to start the vehicle. We were able to get into the vehicle by using the manual key and then be able to get in. We know that we have power to the vehicle, but this key fob is dead. And so it recognizes that this vehicle is key is in the vehicle, in the sphere of the vehicle when it's in here. And so if the battery is charged, but it's not, so we've hit the brake like we normally do, and we hit the start button, and it tells us that the key is not detected. And you hit it again. It's telling us to insert the key. Now, where are we supposed to insert the key? We can't insert it right here. This doesn't pop off. You can't put it in. There are some cars where this cover pops off and you can put the key in there. Well, we got to find that location. So the location on this vehicle is in your center console. It's right here in your center console. You're going to pop the cover up, and there you'll see this little indent here, and that's where you can put the key. And you just press it, and you press it in. And now it's chiming, saying that the key is in here. And so then you can just, once that's in there, just like you would normally, you'll hit the start button, and the car will start and run like it needs to. And then when you're done at your location, you can hit the stop, just like it always works. Now it's reminding us to remove the key out of the unit so that when we leave, nobody can just drive off with their car. And so to get that key to come out, you need to just push on it and it will pop it out. If you pull on it, it won't come out. You got to push it down and then it's able to pull out, and that way you can remove it. Now this will work all the time. It'll work indefinitely, but you'll want to go through the process of replacing your battery and your key fob so that you don't have to manually put your key in there if you're used to hitting the button all the time. That's how you start your Hyundai Sonata with the key, because your key fob battery is dead. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.